Assalamu alaikum. This is Nazmul Islam Shoykot. Now I will describe this picture. Let's start. This is a picture of a beautiful picnic spot. As far as I can see that there is a bent road through the park, and right this park there are some family and the children are enjoying. So first talk to from this girl. This girl is lying on this ground. This ground is full of grass, and this girl is I think writing something. And in front of this girl there is a beautiful couple sitting on a big stone. Man is wearing a white t-shirt and brown pant, and his hair color is also brown. And beside this man there is a beautiful woman also sitting on this stone. Hair color is light brown, and t-shirt and wearing a t-shirt color is black. In front of them there is two dogs is swimming on in this ponds, and the dog's color is brown and other dog's color is white. And behind this dog there is some beautiful flower, and beside these flowers I can see that there is a bucket which is full of instrument and accessories. And in front of this bucket I can see that there is a boy feeding this dog, and like something for eating. And this dog color is brown and white mixed. And on this table I can see that there is some cake and watermelon and orange juice and some kind of fruits are held. And one boy who wants to take a cake, but his mother is telling, don't, no, it's not time to take cake. And in front of them there is a man who is coming with a luggage and gas cylinder box for cooking something, I think. And around this picture I can see that there are some big and little trees are creating the environment more enjoyable and peaceful. It seems to me that this weather is sunny, and some clouds in the sky I see that. And thank you very much for being with me.